Before the start of every year, I would set my goals and plans for that coming year. An excitement comes out whenever I imagine on the future that might awaits me. But little did I know, on every step that I take, destiny have a different way of showing me my path. In 2018, it brought me to a cold and deep sea. Seeing huge waves that comes crashing towards me and drowning me. Whenever I tried to hold my head up, there would still be another bigger wave that would swallow me back into the depths of the ocean. The more I resist, the greater wave would drown me. But I know someday hope would come my way and raise me on the waves of life.
I'll be alright with the rest of the life. I think I can build it inside. I'll be tossing arrows up from now on. Going where the wind blows. Well, I'm still young, 'cause I got nothing to lose, nothing to lose but time. I got nothing to lose but time. The ground in my feet, they are all I ever needed. Running for my freedom. I am going because I'm in love with one who loves me. I don't need a reason. Found freedom here. Freedom to go anywhere. You can take it from me if you like. I think I can build it inside. I'll be tossing arrows up from now on. Going where the wind blows. Well, I'm still young, 'cause I got nothing to lose but time. I got nothing to lose but time. The ground in my feet, they are all I ever needed. Running for my freedom. I am going because I'm in love with one who loves me. I don't need a reason.
Recording it.
And it's not that I'm just running. It's the feeling that I know.
Gonna start with the dry.
Knowing I can let it go now. 'Cause I got nothing to lose but time.